Hello, good morning, good night, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Today, I want to go over some markups that I did today, which is 16th March 2000. Okay, let me wait for you to join. All right. Sonia, how are you doing? Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing? Okay. I wanted to just record a video before I now join immediately. So we just continue so that I will go back to what I'm doing.
Okay.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so let's go on. So today, what I'm looking at, first of all, yesterday, I made a mistake. I made a mistake though. But yesterday, I was trying to show you guys what DXY was about to do. I was showing you guys on 30 minutes time frame. Let me just, I will be fast on this video. I was trying to show you guys why market will go down yesterday because DXY wants to go up. That yesterday we saw this divergence here and we saw this breakout.
Yes,
Market was here. So I was telling you guys that what I'm expecting is for market to come up to reclaim this zone, retest, and then we come to this trend line. That's what we discussed yesterday, right? So we are in the first breakout and retest of this trend line, and market have broken this major trend line. So that yesterday, we saw that market did this, and our trade on GU yesterday actually played out. We had a trade on GU. We had this divergence yesterday. I will just be brief with it. We have this divergence on GU yesterday. Market was going up, Then we had this. We were here yesterday. We were somewhere here. We were somewhere here yesterday when I put this sweep. I put this sweep yesterday. Then we have our trend line. We have our trend line coming up. We have our trend line. We have our trend line coming up. Then I told you guys that this should have been our first trade, but I love entering. I love like taking a better entry. Now I draw this trend line here. I drew this trend line.
Okay.
If you can remember yesterday. So I drew this. I now moved my sheep. So I said that once it's 9 a.m. and I saw that market is still respecting here, we are going to short with our stop loss at this zone. Then our take profit, I marked one entry here that yesterday, if you will remember, I just put my, but where the profit is supposed to be is at this this negative 27, but I just put the stop loss, take profit here. like yesterday.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the market, the trade played out, you know.
Mm,
So why my first bias for taking this deal short is because of what DXY was trying to do that yesterday. So today now,
okay.
we have had this clean breakout on DXY. So DXY
Yeah.
have broke out finally and is correcting. So this is the best time to put my fee from point
Yeah.
A
It's
to
going
point
to
B.
push up.
Yes, so
Mm,
as market is coming down, I want to use this to know when this fib will finish, you know,
okay.
as I just put this trend line until I see the breakout of this trend line. That is when I will know that this market is straight. And whenever DXY wants to go up, GU and EU will start going down, as we all know. Though it doesn't
Yeah.
happen all the time, but most of the time that's what we see in the market, and that is why we analyze pairs individually, you know. So on GU, what I'm seeing on GU this morning, when I analyze the GU, we are here. Then I put, because you know now, this our trade, this GU, let me go to weekly first. I've marked out these zones, weekly, daily. So on weekly, we are bullish. On daily, we are bearish. On 4 hour, we are bullish. Bullish on 4 hour. Who said that? I'm not the one that said such thing. Okay, maybe don't worry. Let me know. So this is my weekly zone. This is support. This is resistance. This is support. This is resistance. I marked it.
Yeah.
So this place too is for daily zone. This is weekly support zone. This
So
is one
yeah.
hour, you know.
Wow.
The,
Okay.
only,
1 hour spot one.
the two things I marked on daily, on weekly time frame are this zone, you know. This zone, here
Yeah.
support, this is resistance. Then
Yeah.
this is support zone on
Support.
daily, on weekly, I mean. So on daily time frame,
Oh, yeah.
we
But
have
I'm really liking this line. Like your shout will not be beclouded with so much noise.
yeah, I like keeping my chart clean,
Yeah.
marking the most important areas, you know.
Uh,
Mm. So on daily time frame, we on weekly here we are bearish. I think wait on weekly we are bullish. No,
uh-huh.
we can't be
Weekly
bullish.
we are bearish.
We are bearish on weekly.
No,
Sorry,
weekly we are bullish. You said weekly bullish. No, weekly is bearish.
it's bearish. Sorry. I don't know what I smoked when I was checking this. You know, whenever you get confused whether market is bullish or bearish, you just turn on this and see it clean.
Okay, the sign
We are
chart.
taking out
Okay.
this stuff here. So
Yeah.
then on daily, we are bullish on daily time frame. On daily time
Mhm.
frame, have this we have this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we had this. This is this
Breakout.
broke a lot of structure, you know.
Yeah.
So this trend line now, let me not talk about this trend line for now. This trend line is for our trend line. So what happened on GU yesterday is just breakout and retest. You can see it here. But this thing is
Yeah.
it happened on 4 hours, and this is why it's important to always do your top-down analysis to see things yourself. You know, we have this daily trend line. This is point A, point B, point C, point D, for example. Market even came here and rejected again, you know, 2 days ago, before we have this rejection yesterday. Our market is trying to go up. So we are bullish on daily. We are bullish
Yeah, we are
on
bullish on
daily.
daily.
We're not bearish. We are bullish
Yeah, we are bullish.
on daily time frame.
But I want to ask if for those each time frame, maybe we are bullish on daily, I mean on weekly, we are bearish on a 4 hour time frame, we are bearish on 4 hour time frame. I mean, what am I saying? 4 hour time frame we are bearish, 1 hour time frame we are bearish. Why 30 minute time frame we are looking bullish? How do you make decision on that?
What the time frames you should use to check your market direction is weekly, daily, and 4 hour. They are the most important. Then on 1 hour time frame, on 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes is just for entry. No, I don't go down to 15 minutes to look for anything.
Yeah.
You know, I prefer staying on 30 minutes because whatever I see there makes more sense to me. So um if your daily and your 4 hour is bullish, while weekly is bearish, you should be looking for long. If like
Come again.
if two time frame, let me use a general word for it. If two time frame is bullish and one is bearish, like if
Yeah,
between weekly, daily, and 4 hour, if two,
4 hour.
yeah, if two is if two is if two is bullish, the market direction, you should be looking for long. Long will make more sense. But if two is bearish, you should be looking for short. If three of them is
So
bullish, if three of them is bullish, then you should be looking for long. Don't even look for short. You know, but based on what we are trading, our confluences, if you see your confluence, which is divergence and all these things, you should know that you are waiting for this or for that. Do I make myself clear?
yes, but
Yeah. So on daily, we are bullish, as you can see
yes.
it here. Then on 4 hour time frame, this trend line here is daily trend line, this one here. So you see market respected it yesterday. Not just yesterday, I think 2 days ago, formed double top there. You know, this market is just, once your eyes are open in the market, you will be seeing things yourself. Like, look at this short. You know, this market formed double top here, broke out, then the market dropped. Who is making noise?
What is that now?
Please mute yourself.
No, I'm new now, so it's anything that you guys tell me I'm working since. You see? Because
So on 4 hour time frame, I saw something. I saw what? Something.
I have
Yeah.
a question. This lower zone down there, like the first one, where the bullish divergence is. What zone is that?
Which zone? This?
Yeah, where the bullish diverge. Yes,
This place?
yes.
This is weekly now. Let me check. I think I marked it on. Okay, not on weekly. I forgot to label. Okay, I think it's a daily
Daily
zone.
zone.
Resistance, support.
Support.
You know, it's always good to just mark the most important areas. Some people do trade only this. Why our own confluence is more powerful is that we have other things we look at. Some people trade only demand and supply zone. Once market comes to that zone, they will just either take a buy or a sell, you know. So thanks for the question. So let me level it immediately, you know.
Because I actually saw it on my chart yesterday, but I was wondering. I did not go way lower again because I mostly stop at 4 hours. So I did not. So I was not, but I know that this was actually a zone, but I did not go lower
Mm.
to see that it's
It's
actually a
good.
zone. That's why I saw it here. That's why I asked.
It's good
Thank
you always label your stuff. When you label it, you won't get confused. Then here now, we are bullish on foul, you know. we are bullish because market is
I'm so loving your chat. It's so clean.
market is doing lower low. Thank you. You know, we are doing lower low here, doing all these consolidations, did our lower low, then broke out of everything. And we have this divergence here. We have this divergence. Does this divergence make sense to you? Are you there? Hello? I don't know where you are though, but let me just continue. So this divergence, we are having this divergence and we have this clean breakout and retest. Market retested on this trend line yesterday, you know, it's a clean retest. It's a clean retest, you know, so I just put this trend line going up. So any day we have a breakout of this trend line going up, that is when I will start looking for a short position. Then on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we have this. You notice I marked this as my zone, as my 1 hour zone, because I have area of support, resistance, 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 support, resistance. What did I just do? Then I have all this here. I have all these stops here. And looking at this place, I'm seeing inverse head and shoulder. You know, so if market can break this zone, if market can break this area here, if market can break it and give us a retest, we'll be long. Though there is no clean direction that this market wants to go up, it's still consolidating. I'm not a predictive trader. This thing I put here doesn't make any sense. You know, so on 30 minutes time frame, we are looking at this. Market is forming a bullish divergence. This is a divergence here. This is a divergence here. So this is a divergence here. Market is coming down, but this place market is just flat. So if we have a break of this area, then we will long, you know. So, but if this market remains like this during London session, which is by 9 a.m., I will short to this. I will short to this trend line here. So that's what I will be looking out for on GU. That's what I will be looking out for on GU, you know. So in as much as DXY is trying to come down, for now, DXY is just going down. So if DXY will maintain this level below this trend line here, we will continue to go down, you know. So that is that for GU. So on EU, Euro USD. Sonia, are you back?
Yes,
I don't know. All right. I'm sorry, I just have to continue. I'm recording this stuff, so I will still send it. So on weekly time frame on Euro USD, we have this support area and we have this resistance. This is a resistance because at least market respected it before it continued. So this is a weekly zone. And here we are bullish to me. We are bearish. We are bearish because market have taken out this zone here. Though looking at candlestick, we are still bullish because of this week. So I have leveled it. We are bullish on weekly, bullish on daily, and bullish on 4 hours. So what we should be looking at, in as much as DXY is trying to move himself, you should be looking out for what market is showing us. Even on daily time frame. Okay, let me finish with weekly. Weekly time frame, we have this zone here. We have this. This is support. Then this is support. A market is respecting this support zone, this weekly support zone. So I'm just looking at the market to see what's going on around this zone. So on daily time frame, we have this trend line breakout and retest. We are bullish on daily. We have this breakout, we have this retest, and market is trying to come up. So we'll be waiting to see what market will give us for the day. On 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is our daily AOI. AOI means area of interest. We have this resistance here. We have this support. We have this resistance. So if market comes there, it might reverse. But what do we know? So market gets there. So on 4-hour time frame, we are bullish. We are still bullish, irrespective of everything that happened yesterday. Since market is still respecting this area, putting this on. Since market is still respecting this area, this zone, I've had this breakout and retest. Though this trend line have been invalidated on this 4-hour time frame. But what I will be looking out for is to see where one market will retest here. If market retest and give us nice price action, we will long it to this daily zone. So on 30 minutes time frame, let me go down straight to 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes time frame for Euro USD, we are trying to go up. Market is just trying to go up, but we are so bearish. So I'm just looking at her. Market have broke out already. I want to see what market will give us during London session. If market give us a nice rejection on this entry zone I put here, or we short to this weekly AOI again. So that's that for EU. So on Euro JPY, we have this market, this Euro JPY. Let me go to weekly. Let me always start from weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we have this trend line. Market is at uptrend here. Market is bullish on weekly. Market is bullish on weekly, bearish on 4-hour, and bearish on daily. So market is just bullish, market is forming higher highs. So this is just a higher low. Looking at this trend line, market is just respecting it. Then this is our weekly AOI. Our weekly AOI, in the sense that this is area of resistance and this is area of support. Then we have this zone also. This is resistance. This is support. So this is the most important place you are paying attention to as market is reacting at that zone. So we are looking at these 1 and 2. So on daily time frame, we'll be looking at nothing much to look at to check on daily time frame. We are just bearish on daily. We are bearish. Market is going down, but we are still on weekly area of interest. Then on 4-hour time frame, we are looking at nothing much to look at for our time frame, So where EJ makes sense is at 30 minutes time frame. We have this break of structure yesterday, then this should be our entries on FIB. So what I will be looking out for is our entry. I saw this trade though in the morning, but I didn't want to enter it because you can't succeed in anything without discipline. So I just want to maintain that level of discipline, because for you to actually make the kind of money we are looking at in this Forex market, you have to, give yourself a reality check when it comes to discipline. Nobody needs to teach you that. It's only in Forex that we know the real meaning of the wages of sin is dead. So you don't try yourself. If you try yourself, Forex will teach you why they call him Forex. So I will be waiting till London section to long this trade, even though it's showing me clean setup to long. But I will not long till London section. So GJ is the same thing. So GJ we have bullish divergence. I don't want to go down to, because other time frame doesn't make sense, So we have this bullish divergence, and we have breakout on our lower high. So market have retested 61.8 FIB level. This is the entries on FIB. So I'm looking to see what market will give us during London session to long or to stay out of the market. It's not a must that once market opens, we enter a trade. So this is all I'm looking out for today. So I don't know whether any of you have a question before I say what I want to say. I will stop sharing my screen now. I should stop recording.